If you want to hide the clock in the lock screen behind an object on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the wallpaper option, and then we're gonna tap on the lock screen over here. Now, not in every case we can actually hide the clock behind the object that we have on the wallpaper, only in some cases. And if you want to give it a try, you should be able to find these three dots in the bottom right side. Well, maybe not exactly bottom right side, but over here on the right side. So tap on these three dots, and then you should be able to find the depth effect, which of course we can enable. And now, as you can see, we can easily hide the clock behind the detected subject quite easily. It also works for bigger clock as well. And that's all. We can press on done in the upper right corner once we are done with the customization, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.